In this video, we will review the Ottocast Mini Cube 3.0. The Mini Cube 3.0 is highly praised for its compact and tiny design. Many users see how space it takes up and how discreet it is to integrate into the car's USB port. Some mention that it even looks like part of the factory setup. The plug-and-play setup is appreciated. Once connected, it generally remembers the device and reconnects automatically and easily, often within a few seconds, making it start easy and frequent to use for less hassle. Wireless CarPlay or Android Auto support are also cited as major benefits. Drivers become welcome being freed from yanking out cables all the time. Another strong point is the firmware update over air, which means improvement and bug fixes can be delivered without having to buy another physical copy or handle the device again. However, some users have flagged a number of drawbacks. Lag is one of them, though tolerable for many. When streaming music or using navigations, there is often a slight delay compared to the wired connection. Particularly in responsive tasks like voice commands or changing media, stability can be a huge issue in certain circumstances. Even in underground garages, weak signal areas or cars with older head units sometimes see disconnecting or freezing happening often. Shipping and delivery is another frequent complaint for many buyers. As many buyers know, waiting a long time, especially for international orders. Sometimes delays or unclear tracking can frustrate many different users. Customer support also gets mixed reviews. Some users have a great response, while others say the support and request of unanswered or difficult refunds can be off-putting. Overall, the Ottocast Mini Cube 3.0 represents a compelling option for drivers who want to move from wired to wireless CarPlay without replacing their entire entertainment system. It delivers many of the convenience that people have hoped for: ease of use, automatic reconnection, compact size and reasonable performance. For typical use such as calls, maps or music, it often performs well enough that the trade-offs are acceptable. However, for users sensitive to lag or those with less standard cars or phone configurations, the imperfections may be noticeable, and also delays in delivery and inconsistent customer support will reduce your overall satisfaction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.